On a cold night, a wise old chief and his 2 grandchildren sat around a warm campfire. The chief, with a deep and engaging voice, shared a story. Inside each of us, there live 2 wolves. One is the good wolf, representing love, courage, generosity, and other virtues. The other is the evil wolf, representing anger, fear, greed, and other vices. These 2 wolves are always fighting in our hearts. As the story unfolded, the youngest grandchild couldn't wait to ask, "Grandfather, which wolf wins?" The chief's eyes twinkled with wisdom as he smiled and replied, "The wolf that wins is the one you choose to feed." This brief story not only brought warmth to the chilly night, but also imparted a profound lesson to the grandchildren. Our choices define our destiny.